Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a great way to support your workouts? I highly recommend checking out this Clean BCAA by Clean Machine. I was looking for a great BCAA powder to take after my workouts to help promote recovery, and I'm so glad I found this one because I really love the ingredients and I find it very easy to drink. So what I appreciate about this, you'll see right from the packaging here that it is a vegan fermented BCAAs, and it uses organic coconut water as the electrolytes. I always need a boost of electrolytes after a tough workout, and coconut water is a go-to for me for natural electrolytes. So I love that that is what this uses. That lemonade flavor is really yummy, so it makes it super easy to drink. If I'm on the go, I'll just add a scoop of this to my water bottle and give it a good shake, and I find that it dissolves really well. I don't even need to like stir that or anything. But if I'm putting it in a glass at home, I'll just use a spoon to stir it, and I find it dissolves nicely. If I'm feeling fancy, I might use my milk frother, but that's not really necessary because it does dissolve very easily. And I find that it really helps to support me in my recovery by providing those electrolytes, that hydration, and also supporting me in recovering my muscles after a tough workout. When it comes to workout recovery, things have a tendency to get artificial really fast, and I try not to add that in, so I love that this keeps things nice and natural. If you're looking for a great, clean BCAA to add into your workout routine, I recommend checking out this one. I think you're going to be really happy with it too, but that's just my point of view.